All right, so now we are going to be focusing on naming esters, but this time we'll be doing aromatic esters. Okay, so remembering that our parent comes from the alcohol, our parent comes from the carboxylic acid. So if our carboxylic acid, let's take a look here, our carboxylic acid contains a benzene ring. So the parent here then is going to be benzoate. And then we're just going to name this as we did before. So again, our alcohol is right here. Our alcohol parent, we have 2 carbons. So this is going to be, our parent came from ethanol. So that's going to give us ethyl. And I probably jumped the gun on this benzoate, but following what we were before, or the process we were doing before, our carboxylic acid is a benzoic acid, and this is going to give us our benzoate. So putting these pieces together to give us our final name, this is going to be ethyl benzoate.